Welcome guys, how you been? I know it's been a while. I try to upload videos every time I remember. I'm sorry that I didn't do like a back to school video vlog. I just didn't feel like it, so welcome to this video, I guess. So I'm in the second week of this new semester, so that means I have only 1 week to get ready for my test. I'm really excited because this semester I have a lot of courses that I really like and I'm really excited to study. So come with me to get ready for these following weeks. Okay, so I have this board right here. As you can see, it's really old. It has some cracks over the place. It has actually many years with me. And to be honest, I don't use it that much anymore. So as you can see, I already did like a little sketch of what I want this board to be, but I'm gonna rearrange it and be more precise of my timing. Okay guys, so here we have it. It's ready now. So as you can see, these are the courses that I'm taking right now. This is this second week. It's the first week of this planner, of course, but it's actually my second week of this semester. Now on the bottom you can see some hours. So these hours are the hours available that I have for each day. For example, Wednesday I only have 2 hours to study. Friday I have 5 hours, and weekends I have 8 hours. And now you can see that there is something going on Friday. So what I do on the Fridays is that I do like my top courses that I have to really study. For example, so far I think the courses that I have to study more are classic mechanics and modern physics. Now Sundays what I do is like an exam, like I take many exercises of every course and I try to study if in the same conditions of an exam. For example, I take away my notes, I don't use internet, and I only focus on solving the exercises. Now the reason I only have the first week ready is because I wait for the weekend to see if this arrange is actually working, so I can plan the next one. Okay guys, so here's my Notion. I don't think that is the first time that I show you guys my Notion, but yeah, it actually helps me with my everyday task. So today we're Thursday, and of course we already complete making my bed. We went to the university, okay, and now I have to do this quick task that I like to do. Okay, so as you can see, before I even start my day, I like to do my Duolingo. This is a game that I like to play, which I think that I'm getting better and better, which is this one. So my page right here is in Spanish, but you can definitely find this same page in the language that you speak. So far I think that I'm pretty okay in all American continent. Europe I'm actually fine right here, but as you can see today I have to do the African one, which is really tricky. Okay, it's really tricky because it has a lot of countries, and I don't want to be mean, but these are not countries really popular. I mean, have you ever heard someone from Chad? If you're from Chad, you can say hello in the comments, okay? But I don't know, it's not 29%. I mean, it's not that bad, okay? It's not that bad, okay? So yeah, as you can see, at 5 p.m. I have a class to teach, okay? So that's what I have to do, a stop. But right now, we can click at maps. Okay, so now we're going to do Duolingo. So the languages that I'm learning in Duolingo, it's Portuguese, Italian, and French. I know that you can see German right there, but I don't know, I didn't like German. I'm sorry. I'm gonna, if I get to learn Italian and French, then I'm gonna learn German. Okay, I promise. Okay, we finished with Portuguese. We are finished with French. Okay, now we're finished with Italian, so now we can officially mark Duolingo as done. Okay, so what it's coming next, it's a sketch. Okay, so this is the notebook that I'm using to learn anatomy. These are the sketches so far that I've been doing and practicing. I've been learning how the muscles are arranged inside the body, and also I've been trying to draw anatomy following those principles. So yeah, every day I try to do at least one sketch so I can practice. Even though if it's really simple, I just want to get better every day. I don't know who you are, but you're gonna be my model today. Okay, so now we're finished and we can mark a sketch. I forgot that I already took lunch, so this is mark as well. Okay, so right now we have 2 hours to study these courses. Okay, to be honest, I don't feel like I want to start with modern physics, so actually I think I'm gonna switch with programming. Okay guys, so officially now we're going to start studying. As you know, I use the Pomodoro technique. I have this program in my computer that helps me with that. Okay guys, so I just finished to teach my class. So now we're going to start with my session for math for quantum mechanics. I have 2 hours for this, but as you know, I give 40 minutes for every session, so I do a 20 minutes break and then I continue with the next session. Time's up guys, so now we're gonna start with our 10 minutes break. Actually I take 20 minutes, not 10 minutes, but yeah, my desk is besides my bed, so this is where I put everything that I'm not using. For example, my folder, my notebook, and the iPad, so I put it here. Okay, during my break I don't like to grab my phone because I think when I do, the time goes by really quickly and I don't want that. I want to enjoy my break. So what I do is just lie in my bed and try not to think when I'm currently studying, so I have the time to breathe and actually get some rest and be ready for the next session. So what I like to do during my break, it's actually to read. I try to do it as much as I can because like I said, sometimes I just want to like lay in my bed and get some rest. This is the book that I'm reading. It's from the National Geographic collection and it's about the solar system. But the thing with this book is that I like to read it just before I go to bed. So this is not actually the book that I'm reading during my break. So the book that I'm reading during my break, it's this one. It's Pride and Prejudice. I'm almost at the half of it. Okay, like I said, I only read it during my breaks. I would love to have more time to read, but as you can see, I'm really busy studying, so I try to read little by little. Okay, but right now I don't feel like reading. I just want to. I'm kidding. I'm just gonna lie in my bed. Okay, guys, it's time to get back to work. So let's go. As you can see, it's 10 p.m. so we're just ready to get going. Okay, so yeah, let's get it. It's almost midnight. Okay, I didn't have any break so far, so I think that it's time to stop. As you know, I usually use 40 minutes session, so I didn't take any break, so I think we are actually really okay and good for now. So yeah. Okay, so now let's pick up all of these and let's go get ready to sleep. Okay, and that would be my study session. So now let's get some dinner and get ready to sleep. I read this book from the collection from the National Geographic, and it's about the solar system. To be honest, I try to read as much as I can, but as you can see, I finish really late at night, so I don't have enough time to read as much as I would like to. And this guy, it's my little common place. Okay, this is where I take notes. It's not the first time that I show you this notebook. So basically, when I'm reading a book, I take notes or things that I found interesting in this notebook. Not because I think that I'm gonna forget it, but it actually helps me to feel that I'm actually learning, like just to take notes, it actually make me feel like I'm actually learning and understanding everything.